But the central government has unveiled a new unified pension scheme, that is UPS, that assures government employees of 50% of their last drawn pay as the lifelong monthly benefits. Now, the UPS assures of a periodic dearness relief hike in line with the inflation trends, a family pension equivalent to 60% of a government worker's pension in case of the demise, and a lump sum payout in addition to gratuity benefits at the time of the retirement. Now, besides a minimum pension of 10,000 a month, has been promised for those who complete at least 10 years of the central government service.
Assured pension का जो amount है, that will be the average of basic pay of 12 months before superannuation. उसका 50% होगा. और इस full pension के लिए जो qualifying service रहेगी, वो रहेगी 25 ईयर. ये स्कीम केंद्र सरकार के करीब 23 लाख कर्मचारी, करीब 23 लाख एम्प्लॉइज हैं, उनको इसका बेनिफिट मिलेगा. ऑप्शन रहेगा, कोई अगर एनपीएस में रहना चाहे तो एनपीएस में रह सकता है.
Look, the NPS was a scheme which had no guarantees. It was based on market and market forces and driven by interest rates. And interest rates we know are reducing. Now the government has announced a guarantee of 50% of the last drawn salary plus some small other benefits. We'll have to see two things. Whether this guarantee and in the fine print is actually more than what the NPS was offering.
ये घोषणा वाली पार्टी कांग्रेस पार्टी सिर्फ घोषणा ही करेगी, घोषणा के अमल में लाने का भी कभी काम करेगी. कांग्रेस पार्टी ने पिछले 2 साल से ओल्ड पेंशन स्कीम को एक बहुत बड़ा तूफान बनाया था भारत की राजनीति में. समझ सो कि राहुल गांधी प्रियंका जी हो गई तो उनसे भी कहवा दिया गया हिमाचल के चुनाव में कि हम ओल्ड पेंशन स्कीम को लागू करेंगे. राहुल गांधी से सवाल नंबर 1, आपकी सरकार ने हिमाचल में अभी तक ओल्ड पेंशन स्कीम लागू किया क्या?
UPS almost akin to the old pension scheme, that is OPS, but the key difference between the OPS as well as the UPS is that the OPS liabilities were unfunded and entail no contribution from the employees or the employer. However, opposition sees red and calls this a U-turn. Listen in.
ओल्ड पेंशन स्कीम में क्या बुराई थी? कर्मचारी तो ओल्ड पेंशन स्कीम मांग रहा है. आप न्यू पेंशन स्कीम लाए थे जिसको स्वीकार नहीं किया. अब आप यूनिफाइड, अरे नाम बदलने में तो भाजपा माहिर है. हमारा ये कहना है कि हमें ओल्ड पेंशन स्कीम चाहिए, वो बहाल हो. ये बहाल कर दें, वरना जब हम सत्ता में आएंगे तो हम ओल्ड पेंशन स्कीम बहाल करेंगे.
साबित हो गई कि देश की तमाम अपोजिशन पार्टियां, विपक्षी दल जो कह रहे थे वो सही था. विपक्षी दल जनता की आवाज बुलंद कर रहे थे और केंद्र सरकार झूठे अहंकार के अंदर सारे के सारे केंद्र सरकार के मुलाजिमों को दबा रही थी. जिस तरीके से केंद्र सरकार के एम्प्लॉइज ने इस बार भारतीय जनता पार्टी के खिलाफ वोट दिया, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की अकल थोड़ी ठिकाने आई है. और मुझे लगता है कि बहुत जल्द और भी अन्य जो इन्होंने फैसले लिए, जैसे इन्होंने अग्निवीर का फैसला लिया जिसके अंदर लाखों लोगों को का जो सपना था फौज में जाने का उसको तोड़ा, उस फैसले को भी बहुत जल्द वापस लेंगे.
तो चुनाव से पहले ये बातें होती है ना. चुनाव से पहले अगर कुछ लोग देश को युद्ध के खाई में ढकलते हैं तो और क्या होना चाहिए? दंगे कराते हैं, चुनाव जीतना है. चुनाव जीतने के लिए इस हमारे देश के लोकतंत्र में कुछ भी होता है. वार रुकवाते भी है और वार शुरू भी करते हैं.
Isha joins us live on the broadcast. Isha, politics has started over this issue. Two claims have been made by the political parties. They're saying, firstly, that this is a U-turn, and second, they've linked this to the upcoming election, saying that this is in violation of the MCC. Give us more details.
Right. Right, Akanksha. So whenever there is an election which is announced, there are schemes that are rolled out, and in fact, the opposition does indeed slam the government. So again, this is a similar issue that has cropped up now. The opposition slamming the government for this scheme. But again, we also heard Ravi Shankar Prasad, the senior BJP leader, who was also a former minister. He did state that if the Congress has been batting for the old pension scheme, why have they not rolled it out in places where they have been? Where they have the government, for example, in Himachal Pradesh. Why has that not been the case? That is what Ravi Shankar Prasad has also asked. But Pramod Tiwari, we also heard him say that that if the Congress comes to power, they will be batting for the old pension scheme. But logistically speaking, the new pension scheme does indeed have some good news for employees, like you were also explaining about 50% of the last drawn out salary. So it does indeed secure their futures to an extent. However, critics are also saying that the new pension scheme might have a burden on the exchequer. So a lot of back and forth, definitely political parties slamming the BJP for this move and also slamming the BJP for allegedly taking U-turns in several matters since the opposition has gotten stronger in both the houses. But yes, again, a lot of back and forth taking place, but the people seem to be taking this step positively.
That's